YouTube channel. Today I'm here with Ashley. Woo! And hey! Today we are doing slime box. What is it? Switch up.
Switch up slime box.
Switch up box slime challenge. So let's get into it. Okay. Ashley, pick up your box.
I'm gonna go this one.
I'm doing this one. Okay.
I got this like butterfly.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Who gets to see?
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I win.
Okay, so me and Ashley are gonna close our eyes.
So excited.
Do not peek.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
Tell us when you're ready.
And show them the glue. Okay. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. Wait, who's gonna say if they want to switch or not?
I really like it.
I'm keeping.
I really like it.
My box is like,
I'm
keeping.
I love it.
You know what? Because I love you, I'm gonna take it.
I'm gonna keep. I'll take this one.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. My box.
I gave her the clear.
You're gullible.
I got
1 point for them two. And
okay, now that you're gonna use this again.
like spread it for your lipstick.
Yeah, no.
What? Okay, my mom.
We're gonna do the box again.
Now this is dye.
Die. So pick.
Good die?
Good,
two,
yeah.
two good die, one bad die.
Yes,
Yes.
like on the side.
I can't believe Sierra.
While we are
found
doing
that.
we are going to put our slime in. We need a bowl.
Ball. Can I have the
small
blue ball?
amount,
I want the
remember?
blue ball.
Small amount.
I get the blue ball.
A really small amount.
Yeah.
Okay, like a small-
Do we start?
Yeah. Like,
Oh my god, I can't even.
tell me when to stop because I don't know when to stop. Guys, we're only doing little slime edition.
Because there's not.
Are you done already? Okay.
Did you
Okay,
even
like
look
that.
this time? Okay, so she's just refilled the
good enough?
boxes.
So my mom just refilled the boxes. Is that good enough? Yeah, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough.
Is that enough, Sierra?
A little bit more. That's enough. Okay.
I've never made slime before, bro.
Okay, let's put our bowls aside.
Okay, so can I pick
Next.
it? Do I pick again
Yeah, we
and look
pick a
again?
different box. We pick a different box.
No, do I look again?
No, I look and then Ashley does.
Okay.
Okay.
Actually,
So next is dye. I'm gonna get this one.
I'm gonna get
So
this
Sierra,
one.
you
Okay,
pick next. Close your eyes, and do not peek.
I didn't take off my glasses.
Yeah. Wait, what box did you guys get? Oh, I close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. Because I always get top. Okay. Are you ready?
My eyes cannot be closed for this dog. It hurts.
Okay, I'm ready. Alright. I really want you. I want to swap. I really want you to take it. I want to swap.
I'm gonna keep.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
I got a good slime. I got a good one. This is my favorite color.
It's okay.
Same.
It was
I got a good color.
Okay, next is glitter, Mom. Guys, I got this
Next is
orange
glitter.
disgusting. So while let's put our okay, let me get
I'm gonna try to do like a heart.
I got like a disgusting colour. It's not my favourite colour.
Did you get orange?
So Amelia got blue. I got purple, and
Is that like
Actually got
enough?
disgusting
Is that
on-
enough?
yeah. There you go. That's a lot.
I
Oh
put a
my
bit
God.
much in.
Okay, so put
I
the
think
dye.
I put a bit much in. Put over the dye.
That was like
orange.
so good.
Guys, does this orange look
Look
like
at
a
Astro, he's
red
just
or
like
pink?
he's just like. Okay, I'm so scared, guys. Okay, so
I don't look at what I'm doing, so I
want
don't
the top.
choose or.
so this round is glitter.
I'm taking my
I'm
box.
taking this beautiful butterfly box. Okay,
Like
me
mine.
and Amelia close our eyes. So close your eyes.
Oh my god, my glasses. My eyes.
Alright, done. Okay.
Did you show the audience?
Yes, and I did, Amelia. Okay.
I'm so
Okay,
excited.
so do you like it? I kind of, a little bit.
Not that much.
I'm gonna
but
keep mine. No.
I'm gonna keep.
I feel like I'm gonna switch.
Okay, you can switch. I'm gonna keep. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
I actually got a good one. She got a good one. She got a good one. I got a good
And
one.
this matches with my slime,
I got a
guys.
bad one. I got a good one.
This matches with my slime. So it's
Purple
really
with red.
so good.
How is that
This
good?
with orange, that just might not match.
Now what's next?
Okay, let's just
What is next?
pour it in. But
What else is on that pile?
okay, 3. We have
That's
to.
it.
That's it.
We are gonna
do 2 rounds, guys. If we have enough activator.
Let's hope.
Okay, so I'm gonna get some spoon that matches. Guys, as you can tell, it's not going well for me.
Mine is looking
She was not
awesome.
playing, guys.
She's got one good thing. That's so sad.
no, I got 2 because I got the blue.
She got one good. She got one
Oh, Sierra.
good thing. The die. You got 2 bad things. She got 2. No, you got one bad.
Yeah.
I have got good every time. I haven't got a bad, guys.
I found some plastic spoons for you guys.
I'm so excited to mix.
So, guys, before you mix, let's show these beautiful people.
So this is mine.
Amelia.
The glitter, the dye looks really good. I think I added a bit.
This
much
is
dye.
my ugly, disgusting, weird slime.
It's like a Halloween death thing. Can I start mixing?
Yeah. This is Ashley's. Beautiful, isn't it? Whatever. I feel so embarrassed.
No.
The lighting's so bad.
Ugh. It's the sun.
Is it? Like you're on AE lock.
Okay, ready.
Ow.
Now you took away the sun.
Thank
though.
me.
Ooh.
Okay. Zoomed. The camera's not going good today, guys.
Sorry
I'm
about
going good though. You say that? Mm-hmm. Alright, anyway, now it's very dark.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Let's mix.
Oh, that's like
I already mixed mine, and I think I got the wrong colored gems because
No,
you
mine's
can't see my gems.
You can't even see my stars. No, don't tell me this is going to happen what I did at my dad's house.
So
Okay, like-
mine has gone good, but you can't see the little charms.
You can kind of see mine.
Can I
This
put a
is
bit more
mine.
dye in?
No, you're not allowed to.
Why?
I got it on me! Okay,
It's good.
time to activate. So I'm going to put...
Jesus!
That's a lot.
We have to have enough for the next round.
Yeah, we
Mix.
will. Yep.
Oh, mine looks good.
Mine
Oh.
doesn't. Guys, it's just really slime already.
That actually
I know.
looks cute.
Yours looks good. Look at mine. I don't really like the clear.
When do we start with our hand, bro?
Mine looks so
Yeah.
disgusting. I hate it.
This is mine.
It needs to be.
It's
done.
actually kind of good. I'm not going to show you mine yet.
Like, do I pick up the whole thing?
Mine's a disgusting little grapes.
It's okay.
Oh,
at
it's
this,
too
guys.
blue.
Okay, we'll get some more activated.
Look at this. Look at this.
Guys,
No, I have to keep
I
looking.
think I overactivated this.
Yeah, yours is not gonna be like.
Ew, mine's like soup.
Yeah, that's because you gotta keep mixing, girl.
Yeah, I'm mixing. Look at this. It looks like soup.
It's
Ew, it does look like soup or something. It's like it's sticky.
Yeah, this is rippy.
How does yours not sticky? Mine's so sticky. Because I put so much activator. Can I add
Look, mine's so like stringy and watery.
Like as soon as I add the activator, it activated so quickly.
Mine's so watery.
Ew!
It's like glue, full on glue.
Ew, this is like disgusting. It's like
Watery.
so guys, fun fact about me. Sometimes I overactivate stuff.
Guys, if you're wondering why my slime is like very
They can't see
glubby,
your slime.
is because I have never made slime.
Guys, just look at this mess. I've never
Guys,
made...
look at
this ugly, rippy slime.
It's so jit.
Can I have more activator?
Yeah. Oh my god. And you put it on the table. Oh my god.
I'm trying.
Who wants to feel mine? It's disgusting.
Can you mix for me,
Can we
please?
swap and see
Mix
how
it
it
with your
feels?
hand like this.
Can we feel
Can
each
you take
other?
the spoon out or something?
Sure. My one's so
Someone
bad.
take out the spoon.
Ew.
Someone take out my spoon so I can actually mix.
Here you go. Yours is disgusting. Yours is so hard, Sierra. Mine's so bad. Can I have it
Up
back?
to $7.50, they get a reduced fee.
Can I have it back?
I'll help you.
No, I don't want to do it. It's disgusting.
I mean, it's disgusting. Oh, I got some of yours in it.
So
It's like a spider web.
Mine is getting better slowly.
seriously, yours getting better. Mine was rippy. It's
Yours is
rough.
getting
Do you have a
worse.
scale? Do you have a scale you
I'm
can
gonna
see?
put some lotion
here.
Oh my god, I'm done. Mine's disgusting.
Yeah.
I will be back, guys.
You're not allowed to. No.
Yeah.
Amelia, can I feel yours?
I'm
Yours
allowed
looks
to.
I'm
amazing.
still making it.
Yours looks amazing.
I'm allowed to.
Yeah.
Yours looks
Yeah.
amazing, Amelia.
So guys, it's like my slime is getting so.
Amelia, look at this. Can I feel yours? I'll help her.
Okay, I'm back with some lotion, people.
Please,
Try
I
some.
need it.
Look at my
Lotion is sticky.
It does?
Yeah.
No, it doesn't.
My slime is actually so much better. I just needed that extra bit
God,
of
Amelia,
activator.
why is yours so good? Me and Sierra's are like
Because
omelets.
Amelia never, Amelia didn't get a bad thing in this round.
I actually got
Help me!
the first time I'm making slime.
I've activated it.
I didn't know
Does
that.
lotion make it stretchy?
Yeah.
Yeah, I need lotion.
Okay, we're
Because
gonna
mine
put
is
it.
right.
I'm just trying to make mine really good.
We
Like,
definitely, we can like do maybe 3 rounds.
Let's just
We don't
see,
have glue.
Sierra.
we don't have enough glue.
Yes, I do.
No.
What do you mean we don't have enough glue?
Yeah, that's really weird. We have like 4 bottles of every glue gun.
So my slime's working. Mine's
It's going
working.
good. It's going good. It's going good.
Guys, mine's absolutely amazing.
that
now.
lotion ruined mine, guys.
Mine didn't. Mine made mine so much better.
Mine didn't.
Mine made it so much better.
It's better now.
Oh, that actually did it. Check.
Pardon me.
Can we feel, guys? Can I feel? Let's all of you guys feel mine and rate it.
I
It's
still
like
need to like
crunchy.
fix mine because mine's not fully made yet.
Yours like crunchy, isn't it?
Yeah, but it looks like Halloween.
Yeah, yours is Halloween themed.
Amelia, can I feel your? Oh my god, hers is sticky.
Oh,
Yeah, I need like.
oh, it's stretchy.
It's really
Can I feel
good,
it?
but like it still needs to be made, guys. Give it back. I'm still making
Ah!
it.
It's stuck to
It's
me.
very sticky, guys.
Yeah.
I love mine.
You're gonna. Did you just use all of it?
Maybe.
Sierra! It's still got hot. You ruined my slime, bro! It's
Guys,
over.
mine's actually the winner. I'm pretty sure. Like
I
mine's,
didn't
like,
need her to do
crunchy.
that, and
Guys,
she did.
mine's like foam. It feels like foam balls, but it's very crunchy, and I love it.
Okay, let's
Go and rate each other's slimes.
to the next.
No, can
round.
we rate each other's slimes?
No. This is not. This is not. The boxes.
Okay.
Okay.
Mine is absolutely.
I will be
good.
back, guys.
I'm trying to get mine a little better.
It may not feel amazing, but the crunch is so good.
Oh, mine looks like.
Okay, we need to wash our bowls.
Oh my god, look at what Sierra did.
Can I feel yours?
Look at the overactivation.
Okay, well, can I feel
I'm
yours?
still making it, Ash.
Mine's really, really rippy, but it's a good slime. It's like rippy kind of.
Guys, the only reason I've never been on a video is because I'm
Okay,
really
so my
camera
mom
shy.
is just putting the stuff in the boxes. Okay, guys, I only put like the smallest amount, and I'll tell you. I'll do it for you.
What do we do for the slimes?
Mine's amazing, like right now.
No,
love
it's
mine.
not.
I love it. It's so crunchy. It feels crunchy.
It just looks bad.
Okay, so my mom is back with the boxes.
What do we do with this stuff?
Guys, get your bowls.
No, we're not done.
Oh, we're using different ones.
Okay, so first round.
Complete.
Didn't go very well for me.
Well, mine did, of course.
I need like a thing, tissue thing.
Keep,
Can I put
keep
mine on
mixing.
there?
Keep mixing yours. Here, you play with mine.
Can I play with
Yeah.
Amelia's? Can I feel Amelia's? Can I feel it?
You
Oh,
really want to
love
feel
it.
this? Don't. It's actually.
Overactivated. Okay, well, I'm gonna go with Amelia's.
Wait,
box.
no. Wait,
Yeah,
we're not
doing
doing
the
the
round
round
yet.
Okay, well, I have to go with the top. 'cause
Okay,
I'm
where can I wash my hands? Because
In
this
the
is
sink,
not
in the
happening.
sink.
I'm gonna go with Sierra's box. So you
It's
gotta go
actually
with-
kind of good.
Yeah, but it's sticky.
So, guys, let's show. So this is Amelia's.
I'm just gonna wash my hands, guys.
This.
Keep going in that door.
Oh,
This
Sorry.
is mine.
And this is mine.
This is mine.
Oops, sorry.
we're just gonna put this in a container while we're waiting for Amelia.
Okay, well, I get the bird box.
Ash, just wait. Wait. We need you to wait.
Mine's like brilliant.
Your slime looks like soup.
Hey, it may look bad, but it actually feels
Granny
really good. You're mean.
You know what? All that slime's in one big box.
Oh no, I don't want to mix mine. Can I feel hers? Can I feel it?
It's not that bad. I like it. Your one doesn't really stretch.
Yours? Sierra's is like jiggle, and then Amelia's is like normal slime.
Mine is stretchy.
No, Amelia's is like normal slime. I like it.
I haven't played with mine.
So we're gonna just put our slime.
Don't mix them. Don't mix them.
I'm back.
We're not gonna mix them.
We're gonna put them like. If they mix, they mix. We can't do anything about it.
I want to film mine. I haven't filmed. You did. What did you do to this?
We didn't do anything.
It's so good.
Okay, come on. We're gonna do this
next
next.
one.
Actually,
What do I do?
so
with my
I'm
bowl?
going. I'm like seeing my glue first, and then I'll look for seeing it, and then Amelia's seeing it. So I'm gonna go.
Hey, I'm round first.
Butterfly.
I was first. I'm gonna go flowers.
Okay.
I get to look at mine first.
So I've got this butterfly box.
Okay, close your eyes, girl.
Wait. We gotta show
Oh no,
Amelia.
the blue one mixed with mine.
Relax.
Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Okay, I'm done.
I feel like she's lying. She's lying. I'm keeping.
It's terrible. Like, I got the clear glue. It's terrible.
You're lying. I hate it.
I'm keeping.
Like, no, I actually hate it.
I'm keeping.
I hate it.
I'm keeping.
I hate it.
Wait.
I hate it.
Wait.
I'm keeping.
I hate this.
I'm keeping.
Keeping.
Like, this is horrible.
3, 2, 1.
Yes!
They got me.
Okay, so let's put.
The boxes.
Guys, remember
Mommy, you get the boxes.
We need a bowl together. Prepare.
Die.
We're doing the dye now. Ours mixed, Amelia. We're very excited. But that's
The
not round. We're gonna mix more.
We need new spoons though. Well, I need new spoons. Are you looking at
Are you sure about these rolls?
Just let me put. Don't. You guys can open them, but let me. Yeah, do that. What Amelia's doing. Whatever. Just.
I'll put a
Just
small.
wait,
Wait,
guys.
okay, well, usually mine then.
I'm gonna put just.
That's it.
That's it, mate.
That's
Okay,
it.
I'll do it.
That's a lot.
Relax. Okay, so guys are ready. We just have to fix our like glue situation.
Okay, so this round number dos.
We need a
I'll get
spoon.
butterfly. I'm gonna get butterfly.
I'm going to go.
The glue's not even jiggly.
with the blue.
Hey, we can't pick the same box. Fine, I'll pick my box.
Okay,
Wait, we need
close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close
I'm
your
not
eyes.
taking off my
Close
glasses.
your eyes. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
I
I want to switch.
really like
I wanna
this
switch.
one.
I want to switch though.
I really
I asked
like,
first.
I really like this one,
I wanna
and I want to
switch.
keep it.
I want to switch.
Are you sure?
It's sure house. It could be terrible.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
Yes! Wait, is this good or bad?
That's bad.
What?
yeah! I got the purple dye.
Wait,
Wait, the purple dye stained this last time. Is this purple?
you ready?
It's navy blue.
Okay, so I'm just gonna.
Oh, she got the bad one.
I got a bad dye.
I got a good one. I got the good one.
Yeah. Mom boxes.
Yeah, I thought it was good.
Bad.
Boxes.
Can someone open this? Just can someone no face.
Yeah, how do you open these?
Okay.
Wait, the navy blue was a good one. Wasn't it?
Of course.
Tissue. So Ashley got blue. Amelia got navy blue, which is bad. And I got aqua.
It
like a dark blue. It's like purple.
Hopefully I get like.
Is mine purple? It's like a trick.
No, mine looks like
I'm gonna get the bird one now. Actually, no, I want to get the bottom.
3. Okay.
I'm gonna get the bottom. But
I'm getting butterfly.
I'm getting bottom.
I'll get this one. I guess it's Ashley's
Okay.
turn to look.
Close your. Okay.
My turn
Close
to
your
look.
eyes, Amelia.
Okay. Close your eyes very good, please. Amelia.
Okay, done. Are you done?
Almost.
Are you done? Are you done? Are you done? Are you done?
Yes, I'm done now. I'm pretty happy about mine though.
I'm gonna keep.
I want to keep. I want to wait.
Oh,
Pretty happy.
I want to keep. I'm gonna keep.
I love mine.
Why is it
Let you. I'm gonna take it. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
I got the good
I
guy.
got
I got the
Mama,
good guy.
you're the best.
The white guy's gonna. Mine will look like a starry night.
Don't put too much.
Mine's not even gonna match.
Okay, bucket.
Let's just put our glitter zoom in.
Wait, you can't see now. You can't see.
You can't see you. Yeah, you don't need to be in the picture. That was so much.
Yours looks really nice.
Me and Sierra are gonna have a good looking one. Actually, nah.
Yeah, I got a good one, so shh. I have got everything.
Are
good
we
this
even
round.
allowed to use metal spoons?
I got everything good this round, so you couldn't shush.
Hey,
Well, mix up. Go, 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 go.
this is so purpley.
That's way too
Mine looks so ugly.
Mine looks like a purple guy. I swear, was this purple guy?
Look at my colour. You guys can't even see.
Yeah. I got the
Can I please have
good
the
color,
updated?
I think. It's like a
Would
purpley.
you mind?
Guys, mine's like a purple navy blue color. I love it. You gotta give me enough. Did you not give me enough?
Yeah. Just look.
I had a lot of glue. Guys, this might have to be the last round.
It's the last round.
My slime's pretty.
My slime's very small.
So is yours.
Mine's so big. Yeah.
Wonder why.
Mine's actually pretty good. I tested
Mine
it.
looks like a
Mine
purple.
looks really good. Even if I like a bad glitter.
I would call mine Starry Night if I could.
My one's called Emo Girl.
This is my slime, guys.
That's
beautiful.
beautiful.
And you say my color was a bad
Give me the lotion,
color.
please. Someone give me the lotion.
Why?
I need it. It's very.
Don't.
Yes, I do. You want to feel it?
That's not activated.
I do. I just need lotion. Just please pass me some. You used lotion on the last round, so I'm allowed to use it.
We all use lotion in the last round, girl.
So can I please have it?
Have you ever thought of doing like a life tunnel where you just do your life?
Can I please?
No.
I need the lotion.
Mom, no.
Just please. Can someone please pass me it?
Wait, Sierra, your slime kind of looks like mine.
Here was the blue slime.
Mine. Oh, I need lotion. Mine's so
Oh, sorry, I'm not passing
At the end of the video,
Something full? You never passed it to me.
At the end of the video, we are going to mix both of our slimes that we made 2 rounds. And so you can see the results.
Okay.
It's mine.
I don't really mind, but I need lotion for this one. It's not stretchy.
Okay, go lotion.
Ashley.
You didn't pass it to me.
Everyone, does everyone know where their bowls?
Yep.
I'm not done with my slime. I hate it.
Okay.
Okay.
This is literally, you helped her. Can you help me? Your hands,
She didn't even
get
help
hurt.
me.
She did. She on your last one.
Yeah, I didn't need her to.
Oh no!
She took it off me so I could go wash.
Guys, this is so horrible. It makes my hands purple.
Guys, they said that this color was terrible, But it's so pretty, my
This is called
slime.
emo girl, definitely.
This is called Starry Night. I just
Look
mixed,
at it, and it's my hands.
have you mixed yours already?
Oh, it's getting better. Why is mine always
The
so
lotion
crunchy?
made mine so bad.
Mine's always.
It's because you put
What,
so many
yours is
beans in.
amazing. Mine's so crunchy, everyone.
Oh, I should not have put the lotion in.
Every single
I
one.
feel like
is
the
so
lotion
crunchy.
ruins it a little and makes it sticky.
It does.
No, this is very good
Okay.
now. This is good now. Mine's
Let's
good.
move these
So
boxes.
this is my emo girl slime.
They can't see.
Oh, emo girl slime.
Oh,
This is my Starry Night. It's got
Emo girl slime.
such a
This is not-
unstretchiness.
This is not even lotion. This doesn't have lotion in it.
And it looks like a Starry Night
I
because
don't
of
think
the
you'll
white
really
little
match.
hearts and the reflection
Whatever.
like
It's like
stars.
Halloween colors though.
Don't mix them up yet. Okay. Let's just
Show each other what our slimes are.
so let's move everything.
Oh no, I almost got it stuck in my hair.
Let's just move everything.
Are we gonna combine everybody's slime together?
Yeah,
Like-
we're gonna combine like
All
our
of
two
it.
slides, and then we're gonna combine. And then when we mix up the colors, we are going to combine.
Wait,
all
why
of
don't we mix up the colors?
This way.
Oh my God, my Starry Night. Oh, Ashley!
That was by accident. The tissues were in there.
That's my slime.
Okay.
Stop playing with it.
Okay.
Give me my slime back.
Is everyone ready?
My slime's turned out so
So,
sticky.
guys, I'm gonna show you what their slimes look like. So
Mine are daytime sky, clear skies, and nighttime magic.
beautiful. This is just purple,
And red. It's really weird.
and this is blue weird sky.
Okay, so first of all, I got this beautiful orange slime. It's like Halloween colors. By the way, just don't worry about this tissue that has thing on it.
Deja vu.
And this is my slime. So guys, peace out if you like it.
Guys,
My slime kind of went right.
she got slime on her t-shirt. And her, Amelia, I'm gonna see. Don't tell my mom.
Okay, guys, I'll keep you entertained.
Don't worry.
Okay, guys, so we
Don't
got some
worry.
slime here, and then we're like this.
We're okay. They can't see. We're gonna entertain. We'll be back.
We'll
Okay,
be right
so
back, guys.
we got this purple slime, and then it's like horrible because. No, I'm just joking. Just look at my face. Yeah. So got this
Everything's
purple
gonna be
slime.
good.
Yeah. So this slime is really funny. And it's super cute as well.
Alright, guys, we got some Halloween.
Anyways, guys, let's
Mix it.
wait.
So we got my slime. Guys, don't worry about the tissue because something happened there, but.
Let's
Ashley made a mistake.
put them. Don't mix them up yet. I gotta video you guys one by one. Oh,
Yours is so pretty. It matches-
someone video this right now.
I am video.
I will. Someone video.
It looks so pretty.
It's amazing, guys. Just wait. Don't mix yours.
Can I mix now?
Okay, can I go next?
No, I want to go next.
Okay, Ashley, go next.
Okay, someone film. Okay. So I just mix it.
Yep.
Oh, it's so scary.
I know.
Don't mix them up yet.
Mine's like really
Show.
orange. Look. It's like has some purple in it because the guys, this is a Halloween theme, I'm guessing.
Can I rate your slime?
Look at this dark black color. This is definitely Halloween.
Everybody knows those colors don't mix.
So guys,
Guys, my color's kind of going good.
My
it's a
color
brown.
is the daytime circle. I'm gonna call this the daytime circle slime, bro.
Can they see it?
Yeah. Oh my god, it's so dark. Okay. Look at this. It looks so pretty.
Yeah, mine's so dumb.
Mine's gonna look such a pretty blue. Oh my god.
That looks very nice.
Look at my
Okay,
everyone.
everyone,
Like a cinnamon bun.
Show your slimes.
Wait, that looks like a Vegemite scroll.
Look how disgusting that is.
But it feels good.
It
You
does.
can't say.
It
You
does
can't say
feel
it
good.
can't.
Okay.
Amelia, can I?
So this is my slime. I'm not crazy about the colour, but the glitters don't really.
Oh my
It's
god,
like a Christmassy
guys! I think
glitter.
I'm a loser in this game.
This, I think I won the slime competition with my.
I came last. This is like
I
a cinnamon
won.
bun.
I
It's
came
so good.
second. Amelia came.
It looks like a burnt toast. It's brown slime. I got brown slime, guys.
Now, so you're
It's poo. Get poo.
No, it's not. Okay. Anyway, guys, thank you for tuning in to Subscribe, hit that like button.
Of this coffee slime.
Brown poop slime. And if you want to see more content like
Yeah,
this,
it's called poo.
make sure to subscribe. Bye, guys.